The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. All is quiet for us here on the Local View. As we expand the picture just a little bit for you, friends, you'll notice that we do have some showers and thunderstorms out to the south and to the east of us towards the Carolinas. And as we expand the picture even more and we turn on these watches and warnings that are visible, we've also have some color showing up here in Texas, an indicator that that's where we have excessive heat warnings and heat advisories. Guess what? What's west eventually comes east, and this heat that is being experienced right now in the desert Southwest will eventually work its way closer to us here as we head into this weekend, such that by Sunday into much of next week, temperatures are back in the 90s. But you need to know tonight's going to be quiet and comfortable. Overnight lows tonight mainly in the 60s, a few folks in the 50s. Thursday starts dry with some sunshine, but as we go into Thursday afternoon, there will be about a 20 to 25% chance for a couple of pop-up showers and or thunderstorms. Few and far between. Most of us are dry tomorrow, but you need to know there could be a couple of showers or thunderstorms around roughly between 2 p.m. and about 9 p.m. Otherwise, Friday's going to be a pretty nice day with skies mainly sunny pretty much from sunup until sundown. Friday, I think we're actually going to have even lower humidity than what we have outside right now. Now, as far as the tropics are concerned, we're watching not one, not two, but rather 3 different storm systems. One in the Gulf, not necessarily one to worry too much about, but there are a couple in the Atlantic Basin that will need to be monitored here over the next week or so. No immediate threat here, but NOAA is expecting an increased activity in the tropics here over the course of the next 2 to 3 weeks. So things are about to, I think, get a little hairier in the Atlantic Basin over the next couple of weeks or so. I will tell you that there is a limiting factor, and that is something called the Saharan dust. What's happening is the winds are actually gathering and pushing out into the ocean some dust from the Sahara Desert, and that tends to prohibit any sort of tropical development. That's working in our favor here for the potential for tropical systems to have a little more trouble developing over the course of the next couple of weeks. But I'll tell you, will the Saharan dust be enough to overcome water temperatures in the 80s? We'll have to wait and see. The Pacific Ocean is very, very busy right now. We've got 1, 2, 3 different storm systems we are watching, and one could make its way near Cabo San Lucas as a hurricane here over the course of the next 2 to 3 days. The other 2 should stay out in the open Pacific. 70 right now in Wytheville, 84 in Roanoke, 82 in Lynchburg, 84 as we speak in Danville. Hotspot right now, South Boston at 87. Tomorrow, temperatures a little warmer than today, 84 in the NRV, 87 Covington, Clifton Forge, 89 tomorrow, Roanoke and Southside. Close to 90 tomorrow in Lynchburg. Another comfortable night tonight. Overnight lows about 56 to 64. So overall, it's going to be a night where you may want to save some money on the air conditioning and let Mother Nature cool you down. For tomorrow, maybe a couple of stray thunder showers after lunchtime. Otherwise, a nice mix of sun and clouds, probably more sunshine than cloud cover. We talked about those highs tomorrow in the 80s to near 90. As we look at your extended forecast, temperatures are going to drop between about 82 and 87 on Friday. Then we're right back up to 92 to 97 Sunday through Wednesday. The heat is certainly back on during the latter part of the weekend into early next week, with the best chance for showers and thunderstorms lying on Tuesday of next week.